Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Mursalin Zamzam from the Department of CSC ID 112403218117. Today I am going to represent inheritance in Java. As you can see the screen, here are my team members. Together we have prepared the presentations. Before we begin, let's look at the agenda. We'll cover the definition, the various types of inheritance, the syntax, and finally a real-world analogy. As you can see on the first slide, inheritance is the mechanism that allows one class to acquire the properties and behaviors of another. If you look at the diagram here, we define the source as the superclass and the new class as the subclass, or you can say it's a child class or mother class or parent class. The core logic is a relationships. For example, a dog is an animal. Please notice the syntax. By using the extends keyword, we achieve. Moving on the types of inheritance. As illustrated in this table, Java classes support single, multiple, and hierarchical inheritance. However, as highlighted in the note below, Java classes do not support multiple inheritance to avoid the diamond problem or ambiguity. To overcome this limitation, Java provides interface inheritance. As you can see, multiple and hybrid inheritance are possible via interface. This gives us the flexibility to implement multiple behaviors in a single class. Now let's look at the first and simplest types of inheritance as a state where single inheritance occurs when one subclasses extend one superclasses. For example, if we have a class like animals and a class dog, the dog inherits everything from the animal or parent class. It is a direct one-to-one relationships that keeps our code structure very simple and easy to manage. Now, multi-level inheritance. Moving forward, we have multiple inheritance. As you can see in the diagram, this creates a chain. Class C inherits from B and B inherits from A. This means class C effectively has access the features of both class B and class A. It's like a grandfather, father and son relationships, has the implementations and code. Next, we have hierarchical inheritance. As shown on the slide, this is when one parent's class serves multiple child class. For instance, a shape class can be inherited by both circle and rectangle. This is a great way to share common properties across different objects. Multiple inheritance. An important point to notice here, Java classes do not support multiple inheritance to avoid the diamond problem. However, as highlighted, we can achieve this through interface to allow multiple behaviors. Now, to conclude, let's look at a practical example. As you can see in this vehicle hierarchy, the vehicle superclass contains common logic like speed and move. The subclass car and truck inherit this while adding their own specific details like trunk size. This follows the drive principle. It's a interface, a specialized card that also implements and changeable interface. charge, battery level, etc. The end of my presentations. Thank you for your time. Now I am open to any questions you may have.